before we start, just know that, like, I'm getting ready for my brother's 11th birthday party. And why I have so much mascara on right now is because, like, I was doing a get ready with me, right? And I had to stop it because, like, it wouldn't, like, work. Like, it wouldn't let me post it. So, yeah. And I'm not applying more mascara because you can see why. There's already so much. I used the Benefit and the Benefit and curling eye, the eyelash curler already. So, yeah, that's all you guys really missed out on. So, but, yeah, if you guys are wondering why this is longer, I don't know how. I was just, like, putting it on, and like, a lot came on, which I did not mean to do because I never do that much mascara, because I already have naturally long lashes. But, like, I don't know why that happened, though. I guess it was meant to be if it happened, y'all. And guys, my dad did have a surprise for me yesterday, but we didn't end up going. We're, like, gonna have to go on a day where there's no school for me, and, like, it's early in the morning. Only because, like, there was a lot of traffic where I was gonna go, and, like, my dad has had this surprise, and I don't know what it is, like, at all. So give me some guesses in the comments. I'm gonna give you all hints of what he told me. So he said that it's kind of far away from where I am. Like, kind of far. He said that some people can do it and some people cannot do it. And what else? And that, like, oh my god, I'm, like, speechless right now. Because, like, my hoodie's here. And also because, like, I feel like I'm getting sick. So, yeah, those are some of the hints he gave me. Like, they're not hints I asked him to give me. He only gave me, like, one hint. And that one hint was, like, you really like doing it. So I was like, I like singing. I like Olivia Rodrigo and all that. I don't know if it could be Olivia, though, because, like, I asked him, like, is it a meet and greet? He didn't tell me yes or no. He just said, who do you think I am? So, like, I don't know, but, yeah. But, yeah, I've never done that before, and I love it so much. So, yeah, you guys, bye. Probably going to do more on this side, but I think that looks good. Bye. Wait, there's actually one more thing. Okay, now we're good. Bye, you guys.